On April 8th, 2024, zipForm Plus will be transitioning exclusively to the new form editor and phasing out the classic Forms editor and Digital Ink 2.0. The new form editor within zipForm is a powerful tool for creating, customizing, and managing forms essential to the transaction process. Let's go over some basics of the new form editor platform. Effortlessly add data to documents by typing directly into fields. Editing multiple documents is easy. Simply add them to the workspace and make changes on the go. Adding new forms? No problem. You can select from the libraries or upload PDFs from your computer, all within the new form editor. Email, download, print, or delete selected forms, all within the platform. Plus, you can print or download all forms in the workplace just with a click. Whether you're sending documents for individual signatures or creating signing packets for an entire workspace, New Form Editor streamlines the process. The New Form Editor is the ultimate solution for seamlessly managing multiple forms at once during the entire transaction process. For additional assistance, click on the Need Help button within the New Form Editor to access a collection of video tutorials, quick start guides, or join an upcoming live webinar for an in-depth insight. Thanks for watching.